I bought this house for $235,000 and I sold it in 69 days for $440,000. I'm going to tell you how I did it in 60 seconds. So I got a call from a realtor for an off-market property. This lady had deferred maintenance, had a bunch of stuff in the house, was really, really struggling, and wanted to go back to renting. She couldn't keep up with the house. So what I did was I didn't beat the price that she wanted. I solved her problem. I released her deposit early so she could lock in an apartment, and I gave her a very, very flexible closing date. I gave her cash, made it as is, let her leave all her stuff behind that she didn't want to take with her, and she accepted a $235,000 offer. Okay. So, we did our inspections, we did all that, and we closed. While she packed and while she got ready to find a place and all that stuff, I lined everything up. The contractors, the plans, ordered title, we did everything. So closing day, we started work day one. 3 weeks of renovation later, we put the property on the market. Okay. And we listed it. It only took us 23 days to finish the entire renovation. Okay, we didn't do any showings until the open house, and we created a lot of urgency, and we ultimately got 4 offers, and we sold it for 440,000, which was 10% over asking. Okay, total of 69 days. But what made this work was the terms. It wasn't the renovation, it was the offer. It was how I presented the offer, and I do this on every deal. So I'm going to walk you through this deal plus two more, a two-family house and a commercial properties live on my webinar. So just click the link below to sign up, and I'm going to walk you through the whole thing. So bring a notebook. I hope to see you there, and I'm going to show you how I do it.